Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT with WhatsApp. Now, there isn't an official way for you to integrate ChatGPT with WhatsApp. Like Telegram, you can use ChatGPT as an integration for you to use it, but it is not official. Now, I've used the website Business Line to help me understand more, but also help you guys understand what to do by using ChatGPT. Now, what it's done, it is using GitHub. GitHub gives you a whole code on ChatGPT. By downloading the file, you're going to choose the WhatsApp GPT main, which is a normal file where you can integrate both the WhatsApp and the ChatGPT. By opening the Python, you're going to run the server.py, which is the class, allowing the server to first run. If you were to continue doing this without the server, that it's running on absolutely nothing, so it wouldn't work. Then you're going to enter the Python server. Sorry, I do apologize. And then you're going to set up your contact number, and then that way where you can find ChatGPT onto your WhatsApp because it's integrated with Python, and you can test the feature and make sure that it works. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.